Ever heard of raining fish? In Honduras, a small town called Yoro experiences this bizarre phenomenon known as lluvia de peces, or rain of fish. It happens a few times a year, usually after a heavy storm. Scientists believe water spouts, which are tornadoes over water, suck up fish from the ocean and drop them miles away. Imagine walking outside and finding fish flopping on the ground. This peculiar event has become a celebrated festival in Yoro, where locals gather to collect the fish. Nature's surprises never cease to amaze. Like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky facts.